Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Jacobian to restoration period. Dear friends, these questions are very important for competitive exam रिलेटेड टू इंग्लिश। सो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए सो दैट यू कैन गेट नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोस। लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 23। द पोएट्स हु साइडेड विथ किंग चार्ल्स फर्स्ट अगेंस्ट द पार्लियामेंट आर कॉल्ड। So again the question is the poets who sided with King Charles against Charles first against the Parliament are called option A Caroline poet, option B Cavalier poets, option C metaphysical poets, and option D both A and B. So the poets who sided with King Charles against the Parliament are Caroline poets, also Cavalier poets also. So you can say option D both A and B. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 24. Dryden wrote an elegy on the death of Cromwell. Choose its correct title. ड्राइडन ने एक एलिजी लिखी थी क्रॉमवेल की डेथ पर, कौन सी थी? ऑप्शन ए आ रिक्वियम on the death of Cromwell, option B a tribute to Cromwell, option C heroic stanzas on the death of Cromwell, and option D lamentation on the death of Cromwell. So the correct answer is heroic stanzas on the death of Cromwell. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 25. What kind of elegy is लिसीदास? लिसीदास जो है वो किस प्रकार की एलिजी है? ऑप्शन ए एन एलिजी ऑफ पर्सनल ग्रीफ, ऑप्शन बी अ पेस्टोरल एलिजी, ऑप्शन सी अ कन्वेंशनल एलिजी, एंड ऑप्शन डी अ क्लासिकल एलिजी. So Lycidas is a pastoral elegy. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 26. John Donne was ordained into the Anglican Church in 1611, 1612, 1618 or 1615. So the correct answer is option D 1615. John Donne fell in love with the niece of Lord Egerton named. जॉन डन किसके प्यार जॉन डॉन जन को किससे प्यार हो गया था? जॉन डन को। ऑप्शन ए एनीमोर, ऑप्शन बी फैनी बर्नी, ऑप्शन सी कैथेराइन, एंड ऑप्शन डी सेलिया. सो ऑप्शन ए एनीमोर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. अ वैलेडिक्शन फॉरबिडिंग मॉर्निंग इज composed by. अ valediction forbidding morning is composed by option A John Milton, option B John Dryden, option C John Donne, and option D Ben Jonson. So correct answer is option C John Donne is the correct answer. Now question number 29. The famous typical character Sir Giles Overreach is found in Philip Messengers. The famous typical character Sir Giles Overreach is found in Philip Messengers. Option A the city madam, option B a new way to pay old debts, option C the unnatural combat, option D none of the above. None of the above. So option B a new way to pay old debts is the correct answer. Now question number 30. Question number 30. Who did Marston? Yes. Who did Marston collaborated with in writing the play Estevard Ho in 1605? In 1605. Option A Thomas Dekker, option B George Chapman, option C Ben Jonson, and option D both B and C. So the correct answer is option D both B and C. Now question number 31. Here lies my wife, here let her rest. Now she is at rest, so am I. This was a proposed epitaph to be engraved on the tomb of his wife. Who was that poet? Option A. Philip Messenger, option B. John Dryden, option C. Ben Jonson, and option D. Thomas Heywood. So the correct answer is option B. John Dryden is the correct answer. Now question number 32. Samuel Butler's Hudibras is a satire on option A. Restoration of kingship, option B. Contemporary social life, option C. Puritanism, and option D. Contemporary poetry. Contemporary poetry. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. Puritanism. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 33. 33. Name the woman whom Samson Agonistes loved and who betrayed him in Milton's play Samson Agonistes. Option A. Delilah, option B. Helen, option C. Dinah, and option D. Prospice. So option A. Delilah is the correct answer. Now question number 34. One of the following comedies of humor is not written by Ben Jonson. Identify. इसमें से कौन सा है जो बेन जॉनसन ने नहीं लिखा है? पहचानिए. ऑप्शन ए. एवरी मैन इन हिज ह्यूमर, एवरी मैन आउट ऑफ हिज ह्यूमर, ऑप्शन सी. ह्यूमर आउट ऑफ ब्रीथ, एंड ऑप्शन डी. द साइलेंट वुमेन. सो ऑप्शन सी. ह्यूमर आउट ऑफ ब्रीथ. ह्यूमर आउट ऑफ ब्रीथ. ऑप्शन सी is the correct answer. Now question number 35. John Marston wrote a comedy of humor. Identify it. John Marston wrote a comedy of humor. Identify it. Option A. Humorous de mirth. Option B. Estward Ho. Option C. Humor out of his breath. And option D. Malcontent. So malcontent. Option D. Malcontent. John Marston wrote a comedy of humor. It is malcontent. Now question number 36. Whom does Ben Jonson ridicule in his play The Poet Star? Whom does Ben Jonson ridicule in his play The Poet Star? Option A. The poets who posed to be critics. Option B. The inferior poet of his day. Option C. The poets who tried to write play also. Option D. The playwrights who wrote humor comedies after his style. So whom does Ben Jonson ridicule? Option B is the correct answer. The inferior poets of his day. In which comedy of Ben Jonson does Bobadil appear as a character? Option A. Every man in his humor. Option B. Every man out of his humor. Option C. The Alchemist. Or option D. Bolpon or the Fox. The correct answer is option A. Every man in his humor. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 38. One of the following character does not appear in Ben Jonson's Every Man in His Humor. Identify it. One of the following character does not appear in Ben Jonson's Every Man in His Humor. Identify it. Option A. Novel. Option B. Downright. Option C. Brainworm. Option D. Highbrow. Highbrow. So option D. Highbrow is the correct answer. Now question number 39. Now question number 39. Which metaphysical poet does T.S. Eliot refers to when he says that the special quality of his verse is the quality of civilization, of a traditional habit of life? Option A. Robert Herrick. Option B. Richard Lovelace. Option C. Abraham Cowley. And option D. Andrew Marvell. Marvell. So option D. Andrew Marvell is the correct answer. Andrew Marvell is the correct answer. Now question number 40. Moshaka is an important character in Ben Jonson's. Option C. Sejan's. Option B. Bolpon or the Fox. Option C. The Alchemist. And option D. The Devil as an Ass. So the correct answer is option B. Bolpon or the Fox. Now question number 41. Charles II brought with him low morals and high fashion of the option A Spanish court, option B Scottish court, option C French court, and option D German court. German court. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C French court. Now question number 42. The elegies in praise of John Donne was written by. The elegy in praise of John Donne was written by option A Thomas Carlyle, option B Henry Vaughan, option C Andrew Marvell, and option D Abraham Cowley. Abraham Cowley. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A Thomas Carlyle. Now question number 43. The main plank of Areopagitic's argument was for the freedom of option A worship, option B movement, option C press, and option D forming a political party. So the correct answer is option C press. दिस इज़ द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो डियर फ्रेंड्स। तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए। विच इज़ द करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकल सीक्वेंस? स्पेंसर चाउसर मिल्टन डन, ऑप्शन बी स्पेंसर वर्ड्सवर्थ टेनिसन टी एस इलियट, ऑप्शन सी मिल्टन शेक्सपियर फिलिप लार्किन कीट्स, एंड ऑप्शन डी ऑर्डन इलियट सैलीज कीट्स। So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Spencer, Wordsworth, Tennyson, and T.S. Eliot. So option B is the correct answer. And this is the last question. Who among the following wrote the following as his objective? I will strip the ragged foliage of time, naked as at their worth, at with and with a whip of steel, print bounding laces in their iron ribs. Option A John Donne, option B Ben Jonson, option C John Milton, and option D John Dryden. So the correct answer is option B Ben Jonson. So these are some questions dear friends. I hope कि आपको ये पसंद आए होंगे।